Hello guys, I thought I'd just come in and show you some behind the scenes of Simplicity 9536. I'm only making the jacket, which is A, I believe. Here is the line drawing. No, it's C. So I have cut up my pattern pieces and started to put the jacket together. And it's about 5 or 6 pattern pieces for this jacket. And it's called a Bolero. And it's C. And these are your steps to the jacket. And I believe that's it. That's the dress. So you only have steps 1 through 4 for this jacket. Here I've based the jacket together. As you can see, the start of the jacket. These are your sleeve, and the cuff has to go on the end of your sleeve. And that's looking like this. And it buttons on this side. Of course, I have not put the facing in. And it's going to be paired with this top. So, here is the back of the jacket. It has 2 notches, and you can see the sleeves better here. And this is the back of this top. Buttons go down here. It's just pinned to the mannequin. Up here, of course, you have 2 collars. And so here you see the pants with the pleats here. The only thing next is putting on the waistband. Here are your pockets on either side. Pleats in the front. And it's paired with that blouse. And so this is how this is gonna look. Button goes on over here with these pleated pants and top. You get an idea of what I'm doing here. I just put the little waistband up there so it didn't look so rough for you. But this is what it's gonna be like. The complete outfit. With pleats, pants, jacket, and a top. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.